Good morning. Welcome to the homestead. So we're working on our garden beds again today, and I just wanted to show you guys this. It's kind of disheartening, but look at this on my truck bed. It's frost. It is May 11th, and we have frost. Look at that. Look up there on the bed of the roof of my truck is all frosted over. So, yeah, we live in Michigan, and that's kind of what happens sometimes in Michigan. So, I guess since maybe we had such a hard winter, I shouldn't be so surprised. Spring is coming late. But this was supposed to be the last weekend for frost, and it definitely gave us some frost. So I will be waiting a couple more weeks to be putting in my tomatoes and my and there's my strawberries. My tomatoes and my peppers will have to wait a couple of weeks, because I'm just not going to risk putting them out and then having them frost. So that's just not going to happen. But well, this morning I'm going to finish taking this dirt, putting it right there, and then I'm going to go for another load. We got 2 more beds that are made right there, and then I'll be making 4 more beds today, and hopefully this weekend we can get those filled also. Kristen, you want to introduce yourself? That's Kristen. She's my middle daughter. She's grumpy today.
I'm just tired.
I bribed her into working for me this morning. And there's the garden bed that we're going to be cleaning up today too. There's my peach tree. You can't see the blossoms because of the sunlight. Oh, maybe a little. Sun's coming up over there. And look, I got a few blossoms. Which actually is really surprising, because we had such a cold winter that it froze a lot of the buds. See here? See on this one? There we go. See all these gray right here spots? See if I can see all these gray spots right here. See if I can get this to focus here. See these gray? I just does not want to see that branch. Well, maybe this one. There we go. See these gray buds here? These would have all been flowers. But because of the hard, cold winter we had this year, they froze. So I'm just happy that I have a few flowers up here. Maybe we'll get a couple of snack peaches. But we're not going to get a very big harvest of peaches this year because of the hard winter. So, it's about 7:30 this morning, and I got all my little worker bees out here.
Most of them.
Well, most of them out here helping me. It's about 36 degrees out, which is why we have frost.
Freezing.
It's freezing, he says.
You get so used to winter, and then when you go to school in this every day, this isn't that bad. Yeah. You get so used to this in winter, and then spring comes by, and this feels really warm. Like anything above 40, and Anakin would be like, "Mom, it's too hot to go play."
So this
and
is
during the summer, at like 70, you'd be like, "But Mom, it's too hot to play." Or no, during the spring, you'd be like, "Mom, it's too hot to play," and then during the summer, you'd be like, "But Mom, it's too cold to go play outside."
So today we are going to be cleaning up the old garden bed, and in order to do that we need to pull some of these posts. So I thought I would show you guys an easy way to pull posts that only requires one person, and it requires no digging. Hey, quit chewing on me. Alright, so End up sliding that down a little bit. Now I'm going to put this back under it. Here. Like this. And then I'm going to move the puppy. This is a very important part. Move the puppy so she does not get squished. And then, whoop, and up comes the board. Okay. Now I just have this log. Here we go. Now I gotta figure out how to get that board off the log, but that's the least of my concerns. Getting it out of the ground was the hard part. So there you have it. That's how you remove a post. So I only have 3 more to go, and be able to finish cleaning up this garden bed. Well guys, we got that old garden bed all cleaned up. Got all the posts pulled. Now it's ready to add the new garden beds to it. So that's what we're going to be doing next.